So you just got all these videos created, but now what are you gonna do with them? In this video right here, I'm gonna give you 3 easy steps to where you can get the most bang for your buck out of your videos. Step number 1, upload your videos to YouTube. YouTube is the second most used search engine on the whole internet, and it's owned by number 1, which is Google. So with it being number 2, owned by the number 1 search engine, YouTube is by far the best place to host your videos online. If you haven't created a YouTube channel, get to it. And if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to us and we can help you out. Step number 2, now that you got everything uploaded to YouTube, it's easy to put all these videos on your websites. Depending on what kind of software you use to create your website, you can either embed the videos by using an embed code, or just use the YouTube share link to drop those files into your website. If you have a video that's an informational video about what you do, whether it be a product or a service in your business, a great place to put that video would be on your front page. So when you're driving traffic from other social media outlets to your website, they see that video first thing and they click on it to watch it. Because who's reading things these days? People want to watch stuff. People want to watch your videos when they come to your website. At Trussell Media, we suggest informational video that can be placed on the home page of your website. That's probably the first thing people will click when they come to your website. Step number 3, post your videos to social media. Social media is a great place to advertise your business, especially with video. Deciding on the best social media platform really depends on your business. If you're selling to consumers, it might be better to be on Facebook or Instagram. If you're selling to other businesses, it would probably be in your best interest to post these videos on LinkedIn. But all of these social media outlets are options, and we can help you decide what would be the best option for you in your videos. So I hope these 3 steps help you kind of get an idea about what you can do with your videos and how you can get the most views after you have created all of these videos. I'm Troy with Trussell Media, and at Trussell Media, we're helping businesses be seen with video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.